good, YouTube and everybody? Thanks for stopping by and checking out this unboxing. So let's go ahead and do it. We're looking at G.I. Joe Classified Series Cobra DREADNOK Buzzer. Is that right? DREADNOK? DREADNOK Buzzer. I'm pretty sure. I really don't know too much about the character. I think it looks pretty cool. I was going to do a full review on them, but let's just go ahead and do a unboxing. Look at the box. The box looks pretty good. Here he is right there. He's in that figure, in the figure pose. Got some drum sets in the back. Drum sets? Drum sets are in the background with a chainsaw. That's different, okay? You got a background there. You got, look, there's a sticker outside the window. It's a Cobra sign. That's cool. Okay, and then you have some crushed cans, some crushed grape soda. What? Okay. G.I. Joe Classified Series. You have the Cobra Kai logo. Is that Cobra Kai? What? Okay, so you have the Cobra logo there from G.I. Joe, and then you have the Hasbro. Okay, and there he is in cartoon fashion. You see him on this side of the panel here. Got a blue color, 105. Something you can scan. Let me do it right there. Scan. Okay. And then some more snakes, right? Stuff here. This side panel, you're going to have the cartoon version of them there. G.I. Joe 106. Cool. And then on the back, it shows you all the accessories. You see them. The figure there. The accessories, what it comes with. And there's that stuff you can pause and read. And we can talk about that if you like. And on the very bottom of the box, more stuff. Pause it, read it, and we can get to talking about it. Let's go ahead and break this thing open. Okay, so let's dig into this thing. Let's go ahead and do it. Let's pop them open. Let's go ahead and pull it here. Yep. All right. We know, same as Agent Helix with this box. You see it comes in this right here. This is different. I mean, do we really need this? Because, I mean, you get this come out of the box. When are you ever going to use this for anything? All right? It's cool to have. So, Buzzer has this. 106. You got the Cobra logo. Cool. It's supposed to be like a crate. Because there's a Dude, there's a handle there. For like a crate. So, the size of the figure and the crate, pretty big. But you see what it looks like? There you go. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, wow. Okay, yeah, so you have a package here. Oh, okay. You have some instructions. All right. Oh, okay. Wow, we have some instructions here. There we go. You guys read that for me so I know what I'm doing. Read that out and let me know. Ooh, wow. Here's some more. This side and this side too. Thank you. Okay. All right, so looks like this is going to be the accessories. Remember, this box pertaining to a carry-on. I don't know. Okay, so you see this. Here we are. This is where your accessories are going to be. So let's go ahead and rip it open. I'm going to rip it open very nice. Just to see what it... Yeah, see, you don't have to tear it. You don't have to tear it. Oh, there we are. Okay, so dumping them out. There we go. Okay, so we do have weapon here. Weapon number 1. All right, you see it? I should have had what these were called laid out, but I didn't. But it's okay. We're doing unboxing. There you go. Another weapon. That looks pretty cool. Man, that would look like it would do some damage. Then you have that. What do you have right there? That's, yes, chainsaw. That's gonna do a lot of damage. It's actually done pretty well. I mean, look at this thing. Pretty good. Pretty thick plastic. I like that. Good job. Plus, you're going to have some glasses for him. I guess that's for when sparks fly. He wants to protect his eyes. There you go. Okay? And you're going to have a knife. There you go. Nice knife. And a pistol with some wrapping on it. Oh, don't forget the brown tape to get that pistol grip. Should have bought it with the grip. But there, he made his own grip. Of course he did. Right? Okay. So that's the accessories it comes with. You saw that. Let's go ahead and do. There goes the figure there. Oh, okay. There he is. Nicely in his coffin. You see him? Okay. So give me a second. I'm going to get this stuff undone, and then I'll get right back to you right here, and we'll be right back, like in 1 second, 1 snap. Okay, so we are back. That was 1 snap. I'm pretty sure I snapped my fingers, so we're here. Okay, so here's the character. Look at the back. Hold on. This is where he came out of. I don't know if this is supposed to be a diagram, a backdrop. of himself. There you go. That's straight out the box. Great. That's what he was stuffed in. Okay, we'll keep him back there. Here he is. Okay, there he is. Looking, I guess he looks like the character. There you go. All right, face. Okay, not bad. He looks like he's upset, but there you go. Not a bad figure. Looks good. Coloring looks good. Can't complain. Comes with a lot of accessories. Not a bad figure. Let me get a little twirl around here. There you go, guys. There you go. I guess his weapons fit in those holsters. There you go. Let's see if the weapons do fit in his holsters. Let's go. Okay, so the gun holster fits very well. The knife does. I'm going to tell you the glasses do not. Let's look at the glasses. You can put them on, but they will not stay on. I mean, why would they? Look how wide they... Oh, that's terrible. So, yeah. Oh, that's terrible. Oh, let me show you here. Look, glasses, they look good, but how do they stay on? Please. What's up, girl? What's up? No, it's not going to stay on. There they go. They fall off. That's it. Okay, so the figure looks good. Let me know what you guys think about this figure. Is it worth the price? Is it worth the packaging? Does it have enough accessories or whatnot? For me, I'd probably grade this 3 out of 5. I mean, you get enough accessories. Figure does look good, but it's just it's just nothing really to it to me. You see what I mean? It's just very basic G.I. Joe, right? Okay, guys, let me know in the comments what you think.
And this brings us to the end of our video. If you found the video informational or you just simply enjoyed watching, please hit the like, comment, share, and subscribe button. And as always, this has been another toy review. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.